G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name. The Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster here in Palm Springs, California. The sun is beating down, there's so much to do in this neck of the woods, the Coachella Valley all the way up and down here. But we're not here for sightseeing, we're here to find what we have been told is the most unique drink experience, frozen drink experience in the area, which is a date shake. A great downtown area, a lot of low-lying shops, crafts, local people, local restaurants, local food, and right in the middle of it here is Lapperts ice cream. Based in Hawaii, 6 locations here, but let me tell you, the date shake phenomenon is going to be discovered right here as we come into Lapperts on this episode of the Ice Cream Bloke. Field trip edition. Ice cream lovers, let me tell you a little bit about Lapperts. I first had my first experience with Lapperts in Hawaii. Now there are about 5 or 6 stores in Hawaii, a Hawaii-based company. And I've got just as many here now in California spotted around the place. Palm Springs is right on the main street here. Now our boy Walter Lappert here founded it in 1981. Who would have known that his dream would expand across the Pacific down into our Palm Springs area here. The beauty is that we're taking, again, some of these very traditional recipes from Hawaii. We've got some cultural Hispanic stuff coming in here. There's some great stuff over here on the menu. Some mangoes, a mangonada, a lot of sweet, a lot of spicy. There's a lot of great stuff happening here. They've even got Australian macadamia nuts in their chocolate macadamia. I salute you, Walter. You're doing your country proud, and mine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, another feature of Lapperts and what's really popular here in these warmer climates is Hawaiian shave ice. You'll see them all over the Big Island, Oahu, all of those places around Hawaii. A really great variety of Hawaiian shave ice here as well. So we've got 32 flavors in every store. We've got 2 cases of 16 here, a fantastic array of waffle cones, cake cones, bowls, all the way down to the register here. It's honestly a great variety of flavors. You've got non-dairy, you've got vegan, and that beautiful, rich California dairy milk that everybody loves. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the date shake. Would you believe that in another location, a store owner asked me, haven't you had any dates? Like, excuse me? We were told here, in fact, it says up on the menu board here, don't leave the Coachella Valley without trying one. Made with ultra premium date ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and using local Coachella Valley dates. Here we go, date shake. Whoa. Now, I don't even know whether I'm a date guy, as in would eat dates just willy-nilly, but this actually has a really kind of fruity nuttiness to it that is really unique. I'm going to go ahead and stand by the statement that you should never leave the Coachella Valley without having a date shake. Excellent. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, a little bit of Hawaii in downtown Palm Springs here. We're using the influence from Hawaii with the beautifully crafted ice cream. We're using the influence of the Coachella Valley for these dates. Blend them together and that's what you get, is just a little bit of heaven here on earth. Lapperts ice cream, date shake. I'm going to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. Have you been to Lapperts before? Have you had a date shake before? Tell us about some great dates you've been on. Anyway, leave a comment down below. We'll put all of the details for Lapperts and this area down. We've had a great day over the past 8 or 12 hours, kind of looking around the place, going up the massive tram to the top of the mountain. It's a great place to spend some time. That's about all I have for you. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.